What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol TSLA for Tesla Inc., of course. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about the stock regularly here on the channel. The main thing I want to point out is, of course, today's daily bar structure. We have a huge hammer candle. There was a ton of volatility, obviously the broader marketplace selling off early in the morning, and then a huge sympathy rally into the close, leaving us with a lot of hammers out there. To be quite frank with you, it's not going to be uncommon for today's sets of videos. But the thing that makes Tesla even more interesting is the fact that we pulled back into the support trend line, the dominant one coming from, if we just scrunch up the chart, all the way back here last May. You can see that's where it initiated, touch 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth, and we held on to that trend line, which is an extremely important thing to be doing here on the first touch inside of Tesla, in my estimation. So that is a bullish indication. The structure is a bullish indication, and we've also closed back above the prior all-time high set, close to about 900. It's the blue lines on our daily screen. Now, we didn't quite fill the gap all the way like some of our other companies, and that's illustrated best here on the 30-minute time frame. So I would still say that that's an area to watch out for as we move into the remainder of the week, close to 943.07. In the post-market, we're currently 924 roughly. So, a little bit of pullback, about $6 worth of pullback off of the actual close here, but nothing too dramatic. The main area you can see that needs to hold from the 30-minute perspective is going to be this right here, close to $900. Not only is it this area of support, it was also the prior all-time high, but if you look at the 30-minute intraday session, it was the neckline of this inverted head and shoulders, right? Something that looked like this. Boom, there's your break into the afternoon here, last 30-minute session. Any pullbacks, we should watch for a break retest, look for support here. So anything that looks like a hammer candle on the retest, even just indecision dojis that come in here and start stacking sideways, look for longs over the highs to close the gap overhead. And then potentially, again, this is not a guarantee, but or at least we're making steps in the right direction to be getting out of the woods in Tesla if we can come back up and test 1,000. Now, I do think it's going to offer a significant amount of resistance on the retest here on that first touch, especially given that it was such a big flush point here, but it is the number to be watching out for if we can close the gap and continue on our merry way. Of course, big bad 4 figures there. So that's going to wrap up the video in Tesla. Obviously, if it's underneath the double bottom from what happened here in the morning session, right, you could sort of look at it as a double bottom, inverted head and shoulders either way. Basically, this 855 quarter level, if it goes to all eyes on 200 SMA and 800 underneath, this could be in play depending on what earnings has around the corner. Do keep in mind that's after the bell on Wednesday here. So that's going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.